just to give you an heads up about the company, Taksha Smart Labs. It's an edtech venture which was launched in US with a vision to integrate and advance the teaching and learning through education technology for the students across the globe. So that's what the vision was. So over the years, and Smart Labs have evolved as a full-fledged technology platform for global partners. It's basically a 360-degree education for all the students across the world. So that's how we have coined it. And apart from that, Taksha Smart Labs is a place where learning for each and every family. Even if a parent enrolls, he can also look for a course for the child. So that's how the entire program, is being designed, is being partnered with different partners across the globe. So that's how we do here. And what are the top four, you know, things what we do here is academic one-to-one live tutoring and online learning platform, along with the content what we provide and academic support. And also we do value-added services like escrow services as a third party. We take care of the product or the asset of of party one or party two as a escrow services with a fee involved in it. And apart from that, talking about the verticals what we have in the company. So I think you guys are aware it's a startup, right? The parent company is Texila American University, and it's a startup based out of Chennai. And uh, we operate here, and we operate from here, and we cater needs the technology platform to the entire world. Basically, we focus on African markets, Asia Pacific, and US. So that's what, as of now, we have planned. And based on the partners, we have 8 verticals. Basically, we are into K-12 segment. K-12 is basically schools from grade 1 to 12, and higher ed. We have a vertical higher ed, and we have enterprise and individuals, basically for corporates and individuals. And we have healthcare. We do have courses coming up for healthcare like USMLE or virtual learning. And we do have degree programs, and we do have test prep, and we have online schooling, and we do have executive education. So these are the 8 different verticals what do we have in Smart Labs. And talking about the program, so as I told you, there are 8 different verticals which talks about uh, skill tech, skills management, degree, higher ed, and K-12. So this is how, and healthcare. So this is how we have divided the products into. And talking about the partners, we do have as of now around say I think 7, 8 partners, I believe. Let me brief you about the partners as well. We do have Swiss School of Management, and we have Paradiso, that's a skills management, and we have Luxurio. Luxurio comes under healthcare, and we do have Prograd. Prograd is basically online coding for kids, and we do have um, Edureka. Edureka is for skill tech, and we do have Magoosh, that is basically test prep. Okay, these are our partners. So what we sell from these partners. So talking about Swiss School of Management, where we have already started selling. So Swiss School of Management, we have tied up with them for 2 products. That is for MBA, Master of Business Administration, and for DBA, Doctor of Business Administration. So these 2 programs have, MBA has a duration of 1 year, and the eligibility would be a person who's completed, a graduate, a minimum graduation, and should have minimum of 3 years of work experience. And Doctor of Business Administration is a person, the eligibility of a person has to be completed an MBA or equivalent masters, and should have 10 years of work experience. And DBA is a 2-year course, and MBA is a 1-year course. And we target the working professionals who's looking for to build themselves in their career growth, and they wanted to do some additional courses through one of the reputed institutions, so that they take up these courses and they move forward in their career. And Edureka, we have 5 different courses. We termed it as professional diploma courses, like cloud architect, data science, big data analytics, business intelligence, um, and business analytics. So these are the 5 courses what we sell through Edureka. All these courses are 6 months courses, and these courses can be sold to the college final year students or to the working professionals who want to upskill themselves in skill tech industry, and they can enhance their career through professional diploma of these courses. And we do have Paradiso. In Paradiso, we have totally 25 courses. Paradiso is basically a skill management. I mean, skill management is nothing but soft skills, where we talk about personality development and management, soft skills, and community courses. So all put together, we do have almost 25 courses from them. Apart from that, we on our own from Texila, we have CPD courses, around 6 courses. That is continuous professional development. We do have another 6 courses where we used to sell it to the target segment of corporates and to the individuals and to the universities as a package, where they can mold themselves, like to step out of their comfort zone, and whatever the goals they have in your personal life and also in their corporate life. Once they do these courses, they can step out from their comfort zone and then they can achieve it. So that's how these soft skill courses been designed. And we have Prograd is an online coding where we cater to K-12 segment and also for higher ed. So in K-12 segment, we cater to grade 1 to grade 12. So based on the age group, the course has been designed. And uh, we do have 48, we do have curriculum based, where the student can take up the classes on the weekends, on Saturdays or on Sundays, a 2-hour session with 24 sessions within a 6 months of time. The student can complete 48 sessions in 6 months of time as a Spark Classroom, as a product. Spark Classroom, we call it as a curriculum based product, that is for grade 1 to 12. And we do have Ignite, that is for grade 5 to 12, which runs in 3 stints: stint 1, stint 2, stint 3, which talks about in depth about the product, about the course of artificial intelligence platform, machine learning, and Python. These are the three different courses where the students would be studying. And uh, and we do have micro degree for college going students. It is framed from a duration of 1 year, 1 to 3 years. If the student wanted to go for 1 year fast-paced course, the child or the student can take up that course. Or if the child wanted to go for a tenure of 3 years and wanted to study in detail, in depth, so the child can take up a 3 years course in that. And we, as we were talking about healthcare, one of the vertical, we also have Lecturio. It's basically a LMS platform where we cater to the universities and medical colleges, where we provide a virtual classroom as a learning management system for the university. And we provide a question bank. We provide the entire syllabus required for that particular university, or for that country, for Asia Pacific or Africa, for Europe, for Middle East, based on the countries or national curriculum framework. It is being designed. I know it is two-way platform where the teacher or the mentor can teach the student online on a virtual classroom, or the teacher or the mentor can assign homeworks or assign assignments and can do a assessment, which is an auto graded assessment. It is only for MCQ, not for subjective evaluations, and where the student can virtually see 7,000 videos and 5,000 questions in the question bank. And student can also access study planner and simulations, and book matcher, whichever book the child wanted to study, the student wanted to study, the student can match the book with the content available in the platform. And it also helps the student to take USMLE for step 1 and step 2 on this particular Lecturio platform. So these are the top things what we have with Lecturio and healthcare provider. And we also have test prep. Talking about test prep, we have 4 different courses tied up with Magoosh. So we have GRE, GMAT, SAT, and ACT. So which comes with GRE and GMAT is 6 months course, and SAT and ACT is 1 year course, targeting the 11th and college students. So this is how we have prepared everything with these partners, and these are the courses. Okay, thank you so much.